Hey, Pete Stege here from B2B Clarity. Today is our 12th and final marketing triple. We've had a great series of a couple months where I've been talking about these three element dynamics in marketing that have been in my new book, On Purpose, The CEO's Guide to Marketing with Meaning. This last one is different. It's not in the book, but it's a really important one, and I thought this would be a good way to finish off the series. And that is the three gears of the marketing engine. I believe strongly that marketing that works is an ecosystem. It's something that is alive, and I often refer to it as an engine. And I want to talk to you about the three gears that make that engine run. And I found it to be true in any healthy and effective marketing ecosystem in a B2B company. And I use the acronym GPS because it represents the three gears. G is goals, P is programs, and S is systems. But it's also a great description of a well-run marketing organization. It's intelligent, it's powerful, it helps you wherever you are, and it's dynamic. So let's talk about the three gears of the marketing GPS, the marketing engine. Goals. This is my word for knowing what it is you're out to do with your marketing. Having an end in mind before you start doing stuff and spending money and hiring people and using your time. Having that clear understanding of who it is that you help more than any other group of people or companies, what it is that you exactly do for them, and how they understand that. That's at the core of everything you're going to do in your marketing. And the most effective marketing engine is one that is organized and driven by a consistent and cohesive plan for what you're doing and why you're doing it. Programs are, frankly, where most people start with their marketing. It's the stuff you do. It's the investments you make. It's the actions you take in the market or within your company to market your solution. You may have heard the term random acts of marketing. That's what happens when you start with a program without a whole lot of thought as to why you're doing it. And you think about programs independently and not as part of your overall goals for your business and your marketing. So the programs gear in a marketing engine that works are a portfolio of actions and investments that you take consistently and in different markets, different phases of your sale, different regions of the country, all those different differences. If you step back from it, they all rhyme, right? They all work together. They're not the same, but they're consistent. And it's that reverberation of all these experiences that you're doing in the market that actually moves the needle with your marketing. If you do one thing one time for any prospect, it's not going to do you much good because that blip in their world will very unlikely stick. But if you do a set of things that are calibrated to deliver that experience and remind them over and over again what you do and why it helps them, that's how you break through and get traction. And the third gear is also critical, and that is systems. All of that work you've done to come up with a plan and your goals and to implement these programs are a waste if they don't continue over time. Like I said before, if you don't have that effective repetition and you don't have a plan for how your marketing continues as your business evolves, as you launch new products, as you grow, as you have a contraction, all of that you need processes in place so people know who's accountable, who does what, balls don't get dropped, and your business succeeds over the long run with an effective marketing engine. So goals, programs, and systems, gears are the best way I think to describe them because they interact, and you can't do the job with any one of those three essential ingredients missing. I hope you've enjoyed our Marketing Triples series, and I hope you got something out of this GPS conversation. I'd love to talk more about it with you one-on-one. Please reach out to me. You can get me on LinkedIn or go to my website, b2bclaritymarketing.com. And as you can see on the screen here, I am giving away another copy of my book this month. And if you want to be in on that drawing, all you have to do is text me the word clarity at 66866.